minus 6x, which is equal to 13, and the 21 have to go to where the 13 is. So it becomes 13 minus 20. Welcome you once again to Menalize TV, and today our topic is simultaneous equation. We say simultaneous equations are two or more algebraic equations that share variables. The reason why we say, or we call it simultaneous equation, is because the two equations have to be solved at the same time. That's why we call it simultaneous equation. Now we look at examples and see how best we can go about it. Now, first of all, when you are given a simultaneous equation to solve, we have two methods of solving simultaneous equation. One is elimination method and another one is substitution method. So here, 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, and the second one, 2x plus y is equal to 7. So the first thing you have to do is name this one equation 1. And then the second one, equation 2. Now, for us to solve this, I told you from the beginning that we have two methods. One is elimination method. So first of all, we are going to use the elimination method to find the values of both x and y. So under the elimination method, now you look at the numbers and see which one of them that you can easily deal with. So we have the 2x and then 2x here. We have 3y and y here. So as you can see, we have to eliminate one of the variables, which means that the easiest one for us to eliminate is what? The 2x and the 2x. So when you subtract one from the other, it becomes what? 0. So what we have to do is you say what? Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x plus 3y, which is equal to 13. And then equation 2 is the 2x plus y, which is equal to 7. Now we say that subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Now we subtract. So 2 from 2 will give us 0. Then 3y, we are subtracting y from it. You have what? 2y, which is equal to. Then we subtract 7 from 13 and we are going to get 6. So now we have 2y, which is equal to 6. So what we have to do is what? Divide through by the coefficient of what? Y, which is 2. So we divide by 2 and this side also by 2. So therefore we have our y, which is equal to 2. Go here 1, 2 here 3. So y is equal to 3 here. So now that we have y is equal to 3, we have to put the y is equal to 3 into any of the equations. It can be the equation 1 or equation 2. So put y is equal to 3 into equation 1. So wherever you see y, we are going to put 3 there. So the equation that we have is 2x plus y is equal to 13. So that means we have the 2x plus 3, the y. The value of the y here is what? Is 3. So you put the 3 there, which is equal to 13. So now we have 2x plus 3 times 9, 3 will give us 9, which is equal to 13. And the 9 here is positive, so when you send it there, it becomes negative, so minus 9. So you have the 2x, which is equal to 4. So to find x, we have to divide by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So we divide both sides by 2, this also by 2, which means our x is equal to the 4 divided by 2. We are going to get 2 there. So we can say that therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. And the method that we use is what we call the elimination method. Now we go and look at the substitution method as well. To use the substitution method, so we have the first equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. And the second one, 2x plus y, which is equal to 7. Now we have to use the substitution method. So under the substitution method, what we have to do first is what? To make one of the variables the subject. You are going to do change of subject here. So I will look at equation 2. So I'll say make y the subject in equation 2. So here in equation 2, we have the 2x plus y, which is equal to 7. So for the y to stand alone, we have to send this 2x to where the 7 is. So it becomes y, which is equal to 7 minus 2x. Mind you, the x here is what? Positive, so it becomes what? Negative. So now that we have y, which is equal to 7 minus 2x, we name this one equation 3. So now we have y 7 minus 2x as the equation 3. So now go to put equation 3 into equation 1. You can't put the equation 3 into equation 2 because we change the equation 2 to get what? The equation 3. So all we have to do is to put the 3 back into equation 1. So our equation 1 is 2x plus 3y, which is equal to 13. So in place of y, so the 2x comes plus 3y. So what is the value of y? Our y is equal to minus 2x there, which is equal to 13. So the y is what? 7 minus what? 2x, not 7x minus 2x. 7 minus 2x. So now that we have this, we have to what? Expand this bracket. So let's do x plus 3 times 7 will give us 21. Then 3 times negative 2 will give us negative 6x, which is equal to 13. So here we can have 2x minus 6x, which is equal to 13. And the 21 have to go to where the 13 is. So it becomes 13 minus 21. So we have 2x minus 6x, which is equal to 13 minus 21. So when you subtract 6 from 2, you have minus 4x, which is equal to, now when you subtract 21 from 13, you have minus 8. So now we have to make x to stand alone, so you have to divide by the coefficient of x, which is negative 4. So negative 4, both sides, negative 4. Negative will do away with negative first, so our x is equal to, here the negative will cancel the negative, and then the 4 will cancel the 8 as well. So 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So that means our x is equal to 2 here. I'm going to put x is equal to 2 into equation 3. So in the equation 3, we have y, which is equal to 7 minus 2x. As you can see it here, 7 minus 2x. So now that is the equation 3 for us. So now we have the value of x, which is what? 2. So in place of the 2 here, in place of the x here, we are going to put what? The 2 there. So that means our y is equal to 7 minus 2 into bracket. The value of x is 2. We have it there. We have the y, which is equal to 7 minus 2 into bracket 2. So that will be 7 minus 2 times 2 will give us 4. So y is equal to 3 there. So therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So we are continuing. Real life situations can also be turned into simultaneous equations and find solutions to it. So now let's look at this question that we have here. The sum of the ages of Kofi and Amma is 33 years. If Kofi is 3 years older than Amma, find their ages. So this one we can solve it what? Simultaneously. So you say let K be equal to Kofi and A be equal to Amma. So from the question they say the sum of the ages of Kofi and Amma, that means Kofi's age plus that of Amma's age is equal to 33 years. And now from the question they say Kofi is 3 years older than Amma. So that means when we add 3 to Amma's age, we are getting that of Kofi. Or when we subtract 3 from Kofi's age, we are getting what? The age of what? Amma. So you can say that Kofi is equal to Amma plus 3. So why do we say Kofi is equal to Amma plus 3? Because Kofi is what? 3 years older than Amma. So for us to get the age of Kofi, we need to add 3 to that of the age of what? Amma, to get that the age of what? Kofi. So from here you can name this one equation 1, and the second one equation 2. So from equation 1, we say that k plus a is equal to 33. Then equation 2, we say what? K is equal to a plus what? 3. So what we have to do here is what? We are now going to put equation 2 into equation 1. So you say what? Put equation 2 into equation 1. So the equation 1 is what? K plus a, which is equal to 33. Now we have our k, which is a plus 3. So in place of k here, we are putting what? The a plus 3. So here we have k, a plus 3, plus the a that we have here, which is equal to 33. So we have the a plus 3, which is the k, plus a is equal to 33. So now we are going to group like terms together and find the value of a there. So the a plus a will give us 2a, which is equal to 33 minus the 3 here is positive. It will go to where the 33 is, becomes what? Negative. Minus 3 there. Good. So what we have is what? 2a, which is equal to 30 divided by 2 divided by 2 here. So our a is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 15. So the a here is 15. Which means that Amma is 15 years old. So if Amma is 15 years old, we are now going to put the age of Amma into equation 2. A is equal to 15 into equation 2. So our equation 2 here is what? K is equal to A plus 3. So here we have our A, which is 15 plus 3. So that means our k is equal to 18. So Kofi's age is 18, Amma's age is 15. You realize that a is equal to 15 and k is equal to what? 18. So from the question we say let a be equal to Amma and k be equal to what? Kofi. So that means Kofi is 18 years old and Amma is 15 years old as well. So when you add 18 and 15, definitely you are going to get what? 33. So from the question, Kofi is 18 years old and Amma is also 15 years old. Thanks so much for watching today's episode. Remember to subscribe to the channel Menalize TV for more updates.